You know it's your boy Henry back with another video and as what I say, another day, another dollar. We out here, we are do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Blog, and today we are going to prepare.
Today we are going to prepare some spicy baked chicken. We get with season, cut up with onion, scallion, pepper, thyme. We have a wet jerk, pepper flakes. So you see we got with chicken and now. Cut up with scallion and thing already, so we are going to throw the season over the chicken. Then we're going to throw in the egg powder mixture to get that nice color. Then we're going to mix in to incorporate. Alright, then we're going to place chicken on tin sheet. After I put chicken in the oven, you're going to put it on 300 degrees for 30 minutes. As you can see, I don't know, 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, spin the chicken and put it back for another 30 minutes. Alright, for all like the extra spice, we get that extra kick of spice to the chicken. What you could do is put a country pepper, burst country pepper, and put it on the tin sheet. So you know when it go in at the oven, you get all of that pepper flavor. Some were sarcastic because they thought that one sandwich should divide. Until he was ready for opportunity. These latter were the ones who, frequently revisited our cabin to receive. Bake for another 30 minutes on 300 degrees Celsius. Now that the 30 minutes have passed, you're going to drain off this. You're going to drain the stock off of the chicken. And you're going to use the same stock to make a sauce. To brush back on the chicken. Yeah, after you throw off the stock off, you're going to put it back for another 15 minutes on 325. Just so the next side can catch color. Then you make your sauce and brush on. As I said before, you're gonna use the stock. Make the sauce. You use the stock, the ketchup, sugar, egg powder and mix. Use the same stock to brush back. The same stock I'm gonna use make the sauce to brush back over the chicken. Then after you gotta sprinkle the pepper flakes for garnish. To garnish the chicken. Then you gotta put it in the oven for less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes. Just to give it the sauce. Just for the sauce bake in the chicken. Trust me, it's an amazing dish. You can try it at home. And the recipe would be put in the description below. So you can check out the recipe. Alright, what me I do now of a bulk. So I'm gonna drop the recipe for 2 person. And now I'm gonna show you the spicy beef chicken. So anyway, you can link more back. See more videos like this. I'll do that so. Another day, another dollar. We're out here. We are doing it.